welcome to another episode of Free the Guys. In here, we have a whole bunch of cars still in the packages, and we're gonna be opening them with Analia. What we're gonna do is, Analia's gonna pick. Hold on, let me put them like this. How many do you want to pick to open?
2.
Just 2?
Yeah.
And I think we should open a little bit more. Maybe like 3 or 4. Let's do 4. So pick 4.
Daddy, find the sparkly one.
Okay, you want to open the sparkly one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want
That one. Whatever else do you want to open? The red one and the blue one. Okay, and
I want to pick. I want to just get away with the gray one.
let's close this box.
So, boy, where you got this purple one?
From Target. All right, so let's see what we got. So we have 2 Hot Wheels. I mean 3 Hot Wheels. One's an old school one, and 1 Matchbox. Okay, so let's look at the first one. So this one right here we have a 34 Ford with a sparkly paint job, and then this one that Analia's holding, what is that? What color? It's a purple 99 Mustang. This is an old school. And then that's a green one. It's a green Volkswagen Caddy. And then what color is this one? Red. Got the Benz. What does it say? G63 AMG 6x6. You gonna open it? Okay. So what color is this one again?
Purple.
Yeah, the purple Mustang. Thing's nice with the black bottom, the chrome rims,
Black one.
and the beige interior. Look at that color, that paint job.
I want
Sick.
it, Daddy.
Okay, you can
I
have it.
want to pick.
So that's number 1.
You want to pick this one?
So now we're gonna open this one with.
I want to open this one.
Okay, open it. Nice. This is a 32 Ford without the front end. Sick. Look at that pearl in the paint. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Pretty dope. You like this one, Annalie?
Yeah.
Put it over here. Alright, which one are you opening now?
This one.
Now we're gonna open the Volkswagen Caddy. Alright, let's go. Wow, that was fast. So we got the green Volkswagen Caddy lowered.
Purple and has sparkly.
I think it's nice. I actually like it. Let me see. Oh, snap. Check that out. That's a cool detail. What's that in the trunk?
I don't know.
What does it look like?
Like this bicycle?
No, it's not a bicycle. You know what that is.
Like a skateboard?
Yeah, it's a skateboard.
Leave it there, okay?
Leave it there. I can't take it out.
Daddy, I
Yeah.
want to open this one.
You want to open the last one? You're going to open this 6x6.
I opened the red one.
We got the AMG. Nice. Oh, we got the 7 tire in the back too, just in case we get a flat. Out of these 4, which one is your favorite?
This one.
Why? Why is that one your favorite?
Because my mommy buy that.
No, first of all, I bought them.
1, 2, 3, 7.
No, it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I want more, Daddy.
Well, that's why we gotta wait till next time on Free the Guy. Yeah, we were able to free these guys from their plastic prisons. They did their time. Now it's time for them to be free. So on the next time, we're gonna what?
Open more.
Exactly.
See you later, guys.